I've got this.
Oh. TT-02BR. So what's the R stand for?
Racing.
It does indeed.
And what's the B stand for?
Buggy.
Buggy. And the TT-02 means
TT-02 chassis.
shaft drive, four-wheel drive chassis, isn't it?
Hmm.
And the BR means it's a buggy. So they had that as they call it the first tri kits, the Neo Scorcher, the Plasma Edge.
Are they all based on the same thing?
They're all TT-02Bs.
Right.
Now this is a TT-02BR. So
very much a racing type.
Yep.
So it's a rolling chassis.
And you build it to your spec.
Right. So it's got no body.
Yeah,
it comes with a body?
It's clear now. Let's jump onto the overhead.
Oh, okay, so it's a full race setup.
Let's jump on and have a look. There we go.
All right.
Full race kit. Now that is a TT-02 chassis.
But
it's very familiar. But it is in fact fiber reinforced.
Yeah, so it's an FRP chassis.
FRP.
So if you don't know what the difference is, the original chassis is just a molded plastic. It is ABS, is it?
Yes.
So ABS is quite flexible and tough. But generally when we're racing, we want it stiffer than that. And you see that. You see how shiny this is?
See how shiny?
You may not be able to see, but you can see this is sort of matte and it will have some fiber.
Yeah.
Which is the fiberglass which has been injected in it. And they're much, much stiffer. When you try to flex this one compared to this.
Much stiffer.
Much stiffer. Even though they're coming out of the same mold. Just the difference in material is like that.
Yeah.
So there you go. So you got your FRP chassis. So mega stiff across here. I'm trying to twist it. It's not twisting. Nice.
Yeah. We do have a race
body.
That is a Neo Scorcher body.
Okay.
I like that they've put the holes in there. They haven't cut the rest of it, but it does have the holes in there. That's cool.
Yep.
We got some 2.2-inch wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Really cool. What else have we got?
Oh, all these bits.
Look at these bits. I'm not going to do a complete unboxing or unbagging.
No.
I'm not taking the sheath off this monster, but we got beautiful TRF
aluminium shocks.
What do they call them?
What do you mean?
Oh, they call them something. Anyway, these are TRF anodized, hard anodized. Yes, that's the ones.
There you go.
So these are top end shocks in this. We've got the alloy prop shaft.
Nice. With the TAMIYA engraved in it.
Yep. Now I don't care what anybody says, but TAMIYA anodized blue is the best anodized color there is.
For sure. It's really deep.
It's just a deep, beautiful blue. I don't know how to say it. Nobody else can do it or has done it.
What do you got there? Universal drive shaft.
We've got some CVs.
Yes, nice.
So we've got some nice steel CVs in there.
Yep.
What else we looking at? We've got some Nylox. We've got some beautiful alloy rear hubs, it looks like. We've got alloy front steering blocks.
Yep.
That looks to be.
We can assume this is fully ball race.
Yep, it is fully ball race. It says so in the box. Really, really cool. So heaps and heaps of fun. So if you want to go racing and want to step it up from, we've got fiber reinforced arms, buggy arms.
Yeah.
You know, it's probably not the sort of car where I'd put a 6.5 turn modified in it straight out of the box, but you know, there'll be those that do. Got modern hexes, modern hex wheels. So will fit conventional modern buggy wheels.
Looks good.
Looks very good. Looks like we've got an alloy motor mount, which is cool for hot motors. Looks like we've got alloy steering posts. Really cool. Anyway,
nice, isn't it?
It's really good.
Something different.
And I think that we only got one of these, and I think that this is going to sell very quickly.
Yeah, that'll fit.
You know TAMIYA. It's like some sort of magic wizard stuff that they do.
Wizardry?
Wizardry, sorcery.
Yeah. You worked it out? Ah, okay. Oh, there you go, it's like that.
Have staffed the box before.
TT-02BR.
Yeah. And it's in their competition style box, isn't it?
It is. Got a little handle. Off you go. Because after you build it should fit in the box.
Does it?
Yeah, that's the design of them.
Really?
Yep.
I didn't know that. There you go. Car and a box all in one.
That's it.
Some beautiful features.
Yes.
Those
full bearings.
Camberlink, carbon fiber shock towers. Says in here, carbon fiber damper stays. Yeah. Aluminium dampers, full ball bearings.
Cut across a bit more. There we go.
Lower deck, hard black.
Hard black lower deck.
Yep, hard black lower deck.
Yeah, we're going to test it.
Has no motor in there, which is
Yep.
very un-Tamiya.
Yeah, but the competition cars.
Neo Scorcher body and Rio N, transparent.
Yep. Cool.
That's fantastic. All new. That's never been out before.
Never.
Never.
Never ever.
Brand new.